Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to fly high in the sky with our drawing. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a colorful kite. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our markers and get started. First, let's draw a diamond shape in the middle of our paper. This will be the main part of our kite. Good job! Now, at the bottom of the diamond, let's draw a small triangle. This will be the tail of our kite. Now, let's finish our kite by adding the string. Let's add a curved line across the straight one. Awesome! Now our kite has a string, and it's ready to soar in the sky. Our kite looks amazing already. Let's go over the lines with a bold black marker to make everything sharp and pop. This will help our kite stand out. Great work! Our kite is ready to fly. Now, let's bring our kite to life with some beautiful colors. Grab your color pens and let's color together. Repeat the colors with me. Red color.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color. Yellow color. Green color. Pink color. Wow! Our kite looks so bright and cheerful. Look at our colorful kite flying high in the sky. Doesn't it look awesome? You did such a fantastic job today. If you had fun drawing with us, don't forget to like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more amazing art projects. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.